what is ShopPay and how does it work? So hey guys, in today's video we'll talk about how ShopPay works and how to use it and how to get started. So what is ShopPay? So ShopPay is a place where you can accept payments on Shopify. Now let's see what it is. Why merchants love ShopPay. Converts faster everywhere. Offer the fastest checkout on the web, including the Shop app, Facebook, Instagram, and Google. No redirects, no overselling. With one tap checkout, your buyer's information is automatically pre-filled. Build brand loyalty. Give buyers the best order tracking tool at their fingertips. Track all ShopPay purchases via the Shop app from checkout to delivery. Plus, buyers using the Shop app have a 9% higher repurchase rate. Integrate from any platform or app. Integrate your store with ShopPay no matter where you sell online. So that is that. So what else does it have? ShopPay has installments. Drive more sales, increase your average order value, give shoppers more flexibility at checkout by letting them split purchases into 4 interest-free payments or monthly installments up to 12 months. So that means you can have a installment payment on your Shopify. So every month they pay a certain amount and a certain amount of interest, and eventually they will pay it off, as you can see. So that is a really good way to convert customers, because not everyone has the money up front. So it makes it easier for people to purchase because they can do a payment plan, which is a great way to sell more products. And yeah, that is that part. Now let's have a look here. So Shop Channel. So what is Shop Channel? So the Shop Channel is your control center for managing and optimizing your brand presence on Shop. So we convert more sales with ShopPay, accelerated checkout, build trust and increase transparency with the track with Shop button. Customize your mobile app storefront with assets unique to your brand. Engage and retain customers with personalized products recommendations. Measure Shop's impact on your business with key performance analytics. As you can see, if you need to, you can add this to your store. So I'm going to click add up, and it will take me here. And if I want to, I can click up set up shop, and as you can see, I can upload image here, and I'll put my image in here, and we put a slogan and our background media, and we can change the color to what we like. And then all we got to do is click save and continue, and now it will take you to this page here. Start selling your products on the shop, and as you can see, you can read these here and click continue. And now it is under review, and to manage or customize again, you just click customize, and it will take you back to here. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. That is how ShopPay works. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Peace.